Hi, I'm Alan. I'm the Recon Director for Evans Auto Sales.
What is your favorite part of working at Evans Auto Sales?
My favorite part about working at Evans Auto Sales is just the day-to-day challenges and personal growth, as well as helping to grow a small business in the area.
What excites you about coming to work at Evans Auto Sales?
Every day I get to do something a little different. Some days are more challenging than others, but luckily we have a really good team here that always gets the job done.
What brought you to Evans Auto Sales?
So I've been in the automotive and heavy diesel industry for about 15 years. I was a diesel mechanic for most of those years, and then me and the owner are close friends. Um, and he said that he was opening a service center here, and so I said, well, I'd like to be a part of that.
What sets Evans Auto Sales apart from other dealerships?
I think what sets us apart from other dealerships here at Evans Auto Sales is the fact that we do go above and beyond. I feel like every vehicle that we put out of the shop is a vehicle that I would be okay with a family member purchasing or anything like that.
What's the most important part of your job?
The most important part of my job at Evans Auto Sales is, of course, making sure that the vehicles that we put out of the shop are up to the standards that we set.
What's one thing that you wish prospective clients knew about you?
Something I wish our prospective clients knew about me is the fact that always in the past, at my past jobs, I've always kind of worked in a different city than I lived in, and now I'm actually getting to work in the same community that I live in, and I do enjoy that.
It seems like you have a really tight-knit team here and everyone gets along really well. Can you elaborate on why you think everyone works so well together?
Yeah, I think what makes us such a good team here is that everybody feels like they're moving towards the same goals. And then we have weekly meetings where we review those goals, and I think everybody kind of knows which direction to pull. So I think that really helps.
What's your favorite piece of advice you've ever received?
My best piece of advice I've ever received, I guess, is measure twice, cut once. Always think, and think before you do.
What is your favorite car and why?
I would have to say a Cadillac Escalade V.